Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a restore point or export the registry key you will change. Once done, open Regedit Now, type Regedit in Run, and accept the UAC prompt. Make sure you are at HKey local machine /system /current control, set /control /keyboard layout, that exact path. You will add a binary value. This is the first actionable step that replaces the Windows key scan codes. Move carefully and keep Regedit open for the next precise changes. You now add the scan code map binary. Right-click keyboard layout, choose New, binary value, and name it scan code map. Then double-click it and enter the hex sequence. 000000000000000000003 0000000000005B000000005 C000000000000000. The header, 3 mappings, 2 keys to null. And you finish by applying the change. Reboot the PC or restart Windows Explorer to load the new scan code map. Once restarted, test both Windows keys. They should do nothing. If you need the keys back, reopen Regedit, delete the scan code map entry, and reboot. If disabling failed, make sure no keyboard utility or driver is remapping keys. Temporarily uninstall or disable apps like PowerToys. That single troubleshooting check usually resolves conflicts when the registry method appears ineffective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.